What we see here is always started with the plywood. From a simple plywood, it becomes your home furniture, which is all going to be handmade here. The plywood will be the first part where you see here, followed by the laminates. These are the laminate, they come in a very big sheet, which is easier to carry. They roll it up here in this form. We will start the process of measuring the plywood and we will start to do the cutting. This is a cutting machine where you see the precision of cutting using the hand, and the machine is totally different. You need the machine to give a precision cutting, and again you need skilled men like this gentleman here. He's able to carry the wood precisely, exactly what we need to make the next cupboard, to make the TV console, or the next wardrobe in your home. Once the cutting is start, we'll go into the constructing or lamination, where you see here, where the gentleman here is doing the lamination. It may look as a very simple work that use only lamination application into the plywood, which I can share is that even machinery, we cannot overtake the craftsmanship that we are putting into a simple task. Our gentleman here is over more than 20 years of experience. He is able to carry forward all this experience to make the simple plywood into even the closest craft workmanship that you can see. After the lamination, the construction, which we find that some of the things can be assembled in-house here, we call that fabrication. And whatever can make here, we will assemble here and carry to your home. Okay, this has to be done here, again here in the factory here. Well, this is going to be in the internal part of your cabinet. So all these are lamination. This is called the color PVC, where you can lay over here on the laminate here. As you can see here, this is so I say almost finished product that we do a final check before it leaves us the factory. We are doing the due diligence to check whether all these are according to the dimension, and all the color, the internal color of the laminates all are exactly what we want. So we have to maintain the QC part that make sure everything is precisely made here according to the specification before we ship out to all the homes. This is the finishing where they will be do the fabrication and re-lamination, where the two joint cabinets together, then they do the finishing lamination, which you will see when they are on the ground. In Joey House, what we see here, we have started to make even walk-in wardrobe, headboard, shoe cabinet, TV feature wall. We can see in many other houses, except we don't make for her is the bed. What we make for her is even more exciting that you see in her house after we go to that part here. And we are excited to see all them in the process of making. And I'm very thankful all this crew of carpenters are able to deliver what's in the picture, in the 3D that we have planned and draw and we make into reality.